Hey y'all, and welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to do an in-depth review on my Birds of Indiana field guide by Stan Tekiela, I think is his name. I may be pronouncing that wrong. But this morning, guys, I put a short out, and I'm going to show you guys a short right here. And I thought it was a female cardinal. Turns out it was a male red house finch. So I redid the short and changed the name of the bird in there. Now I'm brand new to birding, guys. I've only been doing it for about a month, and I bought this on eBay for $10. And the reason I really like it is because it's got actual pictures and not drawings of these birds. So I'm going to kind of talk about how it's kind of set up. So this came out in 2000. Okay, so this is 25 years old. Not that the birds have changed much, but May98 thinks I need an updated bird guide, but if she gets me one for my birthday next month, that'll be cool. But either way, this is really nice because it'll show you like a picture of the bird. So this is the eastern towhee. Okay, the eastern towhee bird. It'll tell you the scientific name. It'll tell sorry. Oh my gosh, the dust from the wood bees here is horrible. But either way, all right, let's go back to this. It'll tell you the scientific name, the size of the bird. So it says this bird is 7 to 8 inches tall, or 18 to 20 centimeters. It'll show you the year-round demographic of the state where it's going to be at, and it'll show you that there's a female version of this bird, of course, but it's on page 97. So we flip to page 97, okay, 93, 95, 97. Here is the female, okay, eastern towhee bird. So pretty neat. It'll also tell you the male is similar to the female, but is black and not brown. It'll tell you what a juvenile looks like right here, that the juvenile is a light brown, heavily streaked head, chest and belly, long dark tail with white tip. The nest, that it's a cup type nest, okay, and that the female builds it, and that 2 broods per year. I guess they call them broods and not hatchlings. You know, it'll tell you incubation times for the females, how long that is. That's 12 to 13 days. The female incubate. The 3 to 4 creamy white eggs with brown markings. It'll tell you what kind of eggs, and their migration complete to southern states and South America. Okay, it'll also tell you what kind of food the insect, seeds, fruit comes to ground feeder. So it says compare, and it'll tell you the other kind of birds that you compare it to, like the American robin. What page the American robin's on? Stan's notes. Common names comes from its distinctive towhee call given by both sexes, okay? And it says mostly known for its characteristic call to sound like drink your tea. Wide-eyed form in southern states, seen hopping backwards with both feet to rake up leaf litter, called bilateral scratching in search of insects and seed. Female broods, but males does most of the feedings of the young. And that's pretty cool because I can learn a lot from this. Now, it is very hard for me right now, being new to this birding thing, to see a bird on the feeder and go, oh, look, there's the bird right there. Okay, let's say if it was an indigo bunting bird, right? Really hard, because by the time I film it and I look up there, the bird's going to be gone. As you guys can tell, some of the clips in yesterday's bird watching video, it was only like 4 seconds. Super quick clip because I start to film. So right now, what I'm going to have to do is if I film it, I'm going to have to go back and watch the video and then say, okay, this is this kind of bird. So I don't do what I did earlier. Like I said, I'm brand new to this. That's cool. Here's a look at the ruby-throated hummingbird that we have here. Male and female. See, some of the pages show both of them. And then some of them, like I showed you before, may not have... See if they're the same as the male? It's just going to say same as male. So the birds don't have any distinction between each other. So yeah, this is pretty neat because it goes through like ringneck pheasant, okay, where they're found in the state. And this one says they're found up north. Northern harrier. It's pretty cool. Looks like a hawk. The red-tail hawk. You know, like I said, it's got the female picture right here. Or it's got a picture of it soaring, actually. It shows it flying. Oh, the female's often larger than the... Oh, same as male, often larger. I didn't know the females were bigger than the males. It's got a wood duck. You know, you can learn all kinds of stuff from this book. Pretty neat. Oh, let's go back. Let's see what I just saw. Where was that picture at? The female northern cardinal that I mistook this morning for a male red house finch. So guys, I'm learning. You know, the colors were there. I knew the female was brown and had a little bit of red on it, which is why I said it was a female cardinal. But we definitely saw a male cardinal the other day, so yesterday, which was cool because that was one of my target birds. And let's look at a bird on the feeder before I get out of here. Oh guys, look, we got a hummingbird. Sweet. That's good. That means my hummingbird feeder's working. Yes. That's cool. I caught another hummingbird. Yay! That's awesome because that's the second time I've seen the hummingbird. But yeah, that's just a look at the Indiana Bird Guide by Stan Tekiela, I think is his last name, from 2000. So yeah, guys, again, I'm just learning all this stuff. So y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, Jesus loves you. Remember to push. Pray until something happens. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.